I bought these ramps. They are nice. They hold up the weight. I see no issues with them. I like how they're rubbered right here. Each one of them has this little rubber thing. As soon as the tire gets on there, it holds it. It doesn't have any rubber down here or anywhere. But that right there alone holds the whole thing underneath your tire. Once you got weight on it, it just allows it to go right up. Nice, easy, good to go. Now, these will not go under the back tire, not underneath the back tire. As you can see on my CRV, these fit right underneath of it. But you can always back into that one, or you can go forward. This right here clears the fender on the front. My next plan is I'm going to try to put that truck on top of there, and we'll see if that holds. Just keep in mind, these are 1600 gross. It's actually, 1600 is what they're labeled at. 8,000 is what the gross is, and 4,000 is what they should hold per tire. But we'll see how it goes. Alright, this Camry I have right here has a gross weight of 4,630 pounds. And it had no problem doing that. You think each wheel is holding 4,000 pounds? This has no problem doing that. Now, when we get to there, this is going to be, might be an issue, but shouldn't be.